Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a blur background in Capcut. So let's just say you wanted to add this background right here, but you want to set this like you want it to look this as a blur one. So how are we going to do that without affecting the main character? So first you need to export that video without editing or adding something. Just render, just export it. Once done, you can now go back since you have the original video already. You can now add effect to this. Tap the video, go to video, and then look for or video effects and look for blur effects. So you can type it right here, blur. And then you have to look the one that matches your video. So for example, the first one here, because there are tons of blur effects. So you have to click the very first one here. And this is the result of the video. We have it blur, but it blurs everything, including the main character. But it's okay. You just have to export this one first. Okay, so once you have added the blur effect, we can now export this. So I want to delete this one first. And then after that, once you have this video, the second video with the blur effect, you can now export the video. So basically, you have the original video and the video with the blur effect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new project, and this time you need to add first the video with the blur effect. Click add, and then after that, we're going to overlay the original video. So this is the video with the blur effect. Click the video again, look for overlay, okay, and then add overlay, add the original video. Okay, I mean the video without the blur effect. Now, what we're going to do here is you need to match the length and the size, the position of the video, the character, everything. Once done, what you're going to do now is you have to click the video. I mean the first video, the original video right here. And then you have to look for remove a BG. Okay. So you have to look for that effect. And then under this remove a BG effect or tool, editing tool, tap remove BG, you should see this auto removal. It will remove anything except the character, the person, or the human. So click this remove. And as you can see, we have now the video of the man and the blur background. Okay, so this is the result, and this is how easy it is to add blur background in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next videos.